everyone. Today in writing, our goal is that we can create complete sentences. Today we're going to be talking about the different parts of a sentence and what makes a sentence complete. So, every sentence has to have two parts to be complete. A sentence must have a naming part and a telling part. So, a naming part, the naming part tells who or what the sentence is about. If it's about a car or a squirrel or the children. We also call the naming part the subject. And so the subject is the same thing as the naming part, it's the noun of the sentence. And then the second part that every sentence has to have is the telling part. The telling part says what they did. So if you said a car went to the store, the car is going to the store. You're telling what the car is doing. So the kid planted flowers. The student painted a picture. Um, you're saying what they did. That's also called the predicate. So the telling part is also called the predicate. It's the verb in the sentence. So every sentence needs a noun and a verb, a naming part and a telling part. So today you're going to be sorting through some of these sentences. You're going to be deciding um, which sentence is it complete or incomplete? Does it have a naming part and a telling part, or just one or the other? So the small orange cat. This just tells me the who, the what the sentence is about. So it's not complete because it doesn't give me a telling part. We went to the hospital. We is the who we're talking about, and then you're saying where they're going is to the hospital, what they're doing. So the naming part and the telling part is there. So this sentence is complete. You all can sort through the rest of these to be incomplete or incomplete. On this slide, you're going to be color. So complete or incomplete. Cover the complete sentences in yellow and the incomplete sentences in blue. So over the big hill. Does this have a naming part? Does it say who's going over the big hill or what they're doing over the big hill? So this is an incomplete sentence. So I'm going to highlight it in blue. Kate has a fat cat. This is a complete sentence. Because you're telling me who it's about and what they're doing. So this is complete. I want you to sort through and do the rest of these. In this sentence stitches, you can do whichever one you would want. So I put the subject is the cute little puppy slept on the sofa is the predicate. You could say the music teacher is you have to choose sang a beautiful song, and then you type out your sentence here. That is what you're working on for writing today. If you need help, please message your teacher.